Remember this, that little, blinking light. It could mean a new message, a new email, or that someone was thinking about you. It was a connection, a promise. We thought this promise was broken. We moved on to glass slabs, and we forgot the feel of real keys. We forgot the satisfaction. Well, it's time to remember. Because BlackBerry is back, and it's bringing the past into the future in a way you have to see to believe. This is the BlackBerry Key5 5G, and we've got the exclusive details. This isn't just a comeback story, it's a revenge tour. Let's break it down. Features of the BlackBerry Key5 5G. Design and display. Yes, the legendary physical keyboard and that iconic LED notification light are back. It's the classic feel you've been craving. But look closer. That's not a tiny, dated screen. This is a compact, but brutally smooth, 4.65-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. We're talking buttery smooth scrolling that makes every other phone feel laggy. It's the past and the future, fused into one device. Camera setup. Think BlackBerry can't compete in the camera game? Think again. Get ready for your jaw to hit the floor. That's right, a massive 110-megapixel dual camera system on the back. This thing eats low light for breakfast and spits out studio-quality photos. And for the selfie kings and queens, a razor-sharp 13-megapixel front camera. Your Instagram feed is about to get a major upgrade. Performance. Now, what's powering this monster? Under the hood, it's an absolute beast. The mid-range Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This means no lag, no stuttering, just pure, unadulterated speed. It runs the latest Android, so you get the entire Google Play Store at your fingertips. And with 5G, your downloads and streams will be so fast, it's almost illegal. One click, and you're there. Battery backup, and the best part, you can actually use all this power without constantly hunting for an outlet. We're talking about a massive 5500 mAh battery, in real-world terms. This phone can easily last you 2, maybe even 3 days on a single charge. Let that sink in. Battery anxiety, gone. Price and launch date. So, after all these insane specs, what's the damage? How much for this slice of nostalgia and raw power? Take a guess. $1,800. Try. $499. I told you this was explosive. For a flagship-level phone with an iconic keyboard at under $500. That's a game changer. And when can you get your hands on it? The rumor mill points to a mid-2026 launch. Start saving those pennies, people.